Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Cheese Ball Survival Kit. Before we get into that, I want to remind you guys we have a giveaway going for our degreasers. We have an aerosol degreaser and then our basic degreaser. And also a hat from Super Clean, which is really cool. If you guys want to be entered for that giveaway, go ahead, leave a like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and share the video. You'll be entered. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. And yeah, good luck to everyone that's entering, and hope you guys get it. It is a great chemical. If you guys want to see how it works, I have a video that I did a couple days ago. I can go ahead and link it in the bio. Let's get into this kit. Here we have the Cheese Ball Survival Kit, baked cheddar, pretty big kit. Pull that cardboard out. This is actually the first kit that I actually weighted, and it is 7 pounds. So it is a good amount of stuff in here, as you can see. But yeah, let's get into it. This would be something you'd have in a vehicle, or you could have stashed at a cabin, even a shed, something like that, just grab and go, or in your vehicle when you're out in the bush, in your boat, in your bass boat, something like that. You could easily seal this up, some tape, and all you have to do is 2 trash bags, one way, one the other way, tie them both, and this way it would be watertight for sure. But let's get into it. Here we have your plate, your tray, your cutting board, whatever you need to use it as. And right on top, we have 2 SOS Food Lab water bags. As well as 2 packs of dried fruit and nuts. Said it right that time. As well as some Indian coconut curry. Good on protein, made with chickpeas. You have 3 vitamin C packets for water. 2 tea packets. 1 packet of peanut butter. 1 mustard packet. A pack of Star-Kissed light tuna. 1 more pack dried fruit and nuts. And a small bottle of Pinnacle vodka. Pinnacle Peak is crazy. We have some water activated towelettes. These are used for hygiene or first aid, water filtration, anything like that. Pretty much expand into a supersized paper towel, so you can use it to clean your whole body. For nighttime signaling, we have 2 pen lights, 10 sticks. They come with a little lanyard, and you just pretty much swing it around in a circle. Creates a nice big red circle or yellow circle. For fire starting, we have a basic Bic lighter. Another source of light, we have our headlamp. It's a basic work headlamp. As well as a flashlight. The zoom. I really love the zoom on these things. I have many of these. I believe they're from Sam's Club. For signaling, just have a basic signal mirror from 12 Survivors. Also thrown in a wire saw. I know people don't like me when I throw them in, but it does give you a little bit of an advantage. Even if it does break, it takes up no room, barely in your weight. And I thrown in some shampoo, as well as a bar of soap for hygiene. Stay clean out there. Smelling good. Make sure those cadaver dogs can find you. Not cadaver, that does search dogs. Okay. Here we have some UCO stormproof matches, fire starting in moist environments. Don't forget your lighter wet. Here we have some duct tape. This can be used for gear repair, signaling, trail marking, fire starting, all that. Plus, there's so many different duct tape projects. For another way of signaling, we have a basic marine emergency whistle. It comes with a lanyard, so you can have it around your neck at all times and just keep blowing it every so often. Fire starting, we have 4 2-packs or double packs of these fire starter blocks. So that's 8 fires right there. And keep me warm, we have 3 different Mylar survival blankets. This one's very large, so it'd probably be used as a shelter, cover, something like that. These basically would keep me warm. For gear repair, we have the survival sewing kit from Aviation Adventure or Venture Aviation. Great little sewing kit, has about everything you need to repair just about anything. Cutting capabilities, we have our off-brand Swiss Army knife, which has the corkscrew, screwdriver, the awl. Actually, this one I like about this model comes with a pair of scissors, as well as your basic blade and 2 saws, which is great. Another cutting capabilities, we have the full-tang Mora Gerberg, always mispronounce it, as well as a ferrocerium rod on there and a blade sharpener. For cordage, we have a good amount of snare wire on this band. Also went ahead and thrown in a basic rain poncho, mostly for rain collection. Okay, so here we have actual rain suit. So this is rain poncho, rain jacket, and rain pants. So this is a great kit. That'll keep me entirely dry. More cordage, we have 550 paracord wrapped around this band. It was about 25 feet. Navigation, we have our military compass. Very basic military compass, but it works. One of my favorite compasses I have so far. Can't seem to fall in love with that backpacking compass everyone has fallen in love with. Oh goodness. For first aid, we have our more than basic first aid kit. Has all the bandages and wipes and whatnot, as well as some gloves, a basic tourniquet, and a CPR mask. Looking for a spot to put it. Here, we just have a neck scarf. It's just for protecting you from the wind or the sun, as well as it can be a face mask or a full head wrap. You got it from the dollar store. Go get yourself one or a few. Here we have some water purification tablets, just to make sure you got some clean water. And if you run out of those, for water containment, we have our U.S. military repo military canteen. You can go ahead and boil your water in the bottom here. Pop this off. We got our mug. We can boil our water, as well as remove this cap and boil water in there. That's how you can make your tea or whatever you're making, or you're stewing your stuff, however you want to do it. Yeah, that is the kit. You have a huge water containment bag or bucket. I guess the only thing I would really add to this is probably one of those net bags for like foraging. So you could throw all this stuff in there and pretty much fill this thing with water if you wanted to, or fill it with rainwater or anything like that. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Good luck to the giveaway winner. And as well as I just got a 3D printer, and we're going to start 3D printing some products, some prototypes for products. And if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below. I always love to hear them. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.